This I did not order for black. Oh Jesus, please no. What be this? Why them tier one give me? My Temu package arrived last week. Let's unbox it. So I've been ordering on Temu for a while now. Most of the time I don't even do unboxing videos. Just open it without setting the camera. Let's begin. Okay, this is, I have so many pouches. Maybe I'll do a separate video for that. So many pouches for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I decided to get, I have a clear pouch, but that one, something is written on it. This is what it looks like. What I ordered versus what I got. Let me keep this here. I want to keep it on my bed. Okay. This is a rug. It's plain color. It's almost the same thing as was here. This is not what I ordered though. I'm going to put the picture of what I ordered. I thought it was mixed color. Why is it so small? It's very small. Wait though, did I order two? What's going on here? Anyways, it's still nice, but next, these are storage cans, I guess, based on how it's feeling. Why? Hey, look at this. Why are they so tiny? What's with this? Order online. What? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. I thought they were going to be bigger. Because wait with this. I like the quality though. The quality is actually top notch. But the size. This one too. I expected it to be bigger. I expected it to be bigger. Way bigger. What is this? I ordered this for dishes. I have one rack already in my bathroom. Just needed another. Okay. Eyebrow gel. So you paste it at the back of your phone, pin it to the wall. Yeah. Next up. Okay. This is what's in this? My mother. This is really nice. Very soft. I'm here, Diane. It's very soft. Touch. I'm not going to show you this one. Yeah, but it's not big. My mom is saying if it was big, it would have been fine. It can be more, but you can get the big size. But not the big size in another color. That one is small. But it's very soft and so nice. You need to feel like have a feel of this. It's really nice. So I'll just use it on the seat when I'm reading or something. Okay, press on nails. Night lights. I'm gonna set it up and show you what it looks like. Probably. This is for my makeup brushes. Because this year I said I'm me and makeup. Once I don't let makeup finish like this, it's over. This is really nice. I like. This I did not order for black. Oh Jesus, please no. Please let it not be black. Oh, this is the exact color I ordered. I love it. My heart was doing because I love black. I adore black, but not in some things. I don't like black in headphones. I don't like black in what else do I don't like black in? One more thing like that. I don't like black in. Okay. Yeah, I bought, is it gua sha? Is it gua sha they call this? Even my mama they look me. The gua sha now, this thing they use in doing. Yeah, I tell you, we're taking ourselves seriously this year. Okay, what's in this? Okay, this is for label. I thought this is going to be bigger. Label. Basically, I'll use it in my other stuff as well. This is induction lamp. Different from the other one. This is a wall lamp. I think I'm not even showing you guys. I'm so sorry. But it's so tiny. Why are you on? I bought umbrella on Temu. This one umbrella we'll go see it together. Remember? Nam video. Should be a for that from back and buy umbrella. I say no. I don't want to stress myself going to the mall. What? Jesus. Open na. Ah, because this one breeze go just collect her from my hand. This really. Let's proceed. Just know that I can't open it for now. What is this? Okay. I'm going to show you the picture. I'll try as much as possible to take screenshots of everything and post it when I'm editing this video. So this is what it looks like. For now, I don't know what I'm going to put here, but I will figure it out. Next up, what is this? Don't know what this is. Okay, the glasses. I buy my glasses on Temu. This is 4 in 1. There was one that was 7 in 1 also. Let's taste it. I do not like this one. I don't think I do. Okay, we like it. I judged quickly, too quickly. We love this one. Tell me which one is your favorite, okay? I think my current glasses is like this. We love it. This one was the reason I ordered for these glasses because I've not had something like this before. This is really nice. We like it. Never finish. Oh, oh, the things I order on Temu. Imagine trash bag where I for buy for mall. I say make I order for Temu, see what it looks like. Okay, I have to go to the mall and buy my real trash basket. It's not. It's very light. Basically, it's not that it's bad. It's just like this thing is one. How is this one? Jesus Christ! I was expecting the bulk of it. I'm going to show you the picture. What to be this? Why the tier one give me? Jesus. That's it. I'll see you in my next demo haul.